Hey guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com and this is Gamebird Gourmet. Today we wanted to work with some full pheasants. We got our new Camp Chef woodwind grill in, and we really wanted to smoke some birds on there. So we got ourselves some full pheasants. We went ahead and injected it with the Cajun soluble seasoning from Excalibur. Really, really nice flavors. Got a little bit of spiciness to it, but just get that good overall Cajun flavor. Then we took some of their Cajun rub, separated the skin from the meat, and rubbed it onto the meat in between the skin. It is delicious, but we wanted some crispy skin. We don't always get that on a smoker, so we sprayed it with some duck fat, sprayed the outside of the skin with some duck fat, and then put more of this seasoning on there. Threw it on our grill. With one of them, we used the turkey done right to help keep the cavity open and get it cooked a little bit faster. And the other one, we just put it directly on the grates. We had it smoking at 230 degrees for 4.5 hours till it reached 165 degrees internal temperature. Injecting a bird with a soluble seasoning is a great idea because you're going to get more moisture directly into the muscle, leaving you with more moist meat at the end. And wow, this is really, really moist and absolutely delicious. I mean, you can see it just dripping off this. And with this beautiful crispy skin, I mean, I will put this up against most people's Thanksgiving turkey, and I think we'd take the prize. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Gamebird Gourmet, and we'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to check out more amazing videos. Shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Or watch more Hamtic videos by clicking here or by clicking here.